Yes! Let's go! We did it! I'm trying to learn how to 360 on this jump. It's not easy. I'm going 180 right now, but... I think I got it, actually. Not even that bad. I need more speed though, I think. I don't know. I think I can hit it, it's just not gonna be easy. I gotta hit full rotation. Never done it on this big of a jump. There we go. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, that hurt. I actually almost got that. Alright, we can do this. One more try. We got it, I think. Alright, here we go. Oh, we got this. Oh, that was so close. Alright, right here, we're gonna send it. Easy, 540 maybe? Oh, backflip. Alright. Yeah, okay. Okay, well. Yeah, that is not me, bro. Alright, let's send it here. Here we go, baby. Let's do it. Yes! Let's go! We did it! I got it.